Welcome to the Crypto Guild. I am your host Rahul, and on this channel we discuss everything crypto. So guys, today's video is going to be about a project called Strongblock. Specifically, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Strongblock nodes or RPC endpoints with Metamask. So let's get started. So first up, what is Strongblock? So Strongblock pioneered the nodes as a service category in DeFi back in 2018. So they've been running for about a couple of years now. Now, a node is a dedicated computer which runs software that stores the entire history of a blockchain. So nodes play an important role in allowing existing and new participants to stay synchronized with all transactions on the blockchain. But the problem that is prevalent in the node space today is that they're not compensated for the work they do. And so currently there is no incentive to keep these nodes running and up to date. So here enters Strongblock. They wanted to address these challenges and decided that offering hosting nodes as a service, or NAAS, is in exchange for daily rewards for node creators, right? So that's the essence of what this project does. And they currently offer a very high rate of return, or what I like to call ROT, return of token, of approximately 365% APR a year, right? And you can use your Metamask wallet to interact with the Strongblock dApp. So next up, why should we use our own node endpoints or RPC endpoints with Metamask? So Metamask essentially synchronizes transactions on Ethereum and Ethereum compatible blockchains via nodes, right, or RPC endpoints. Now, Infura is one of the more well-known RPC endpoints that the Ethereum network currently uses. However, due to its popularity, Infura tends to suffer from a number of issues, which include but are not limited to, they've gone down in the recent past as well. I believe it was just a few days ago. So they have outages, and this allows MetaMask not to be able to connect to the network. Now, because it's so popular and everyone uses the Infura RPC endpoint, this typically leads to higher gas fees because of the number of transactions being broadcasted at the same time, right? And also kind of connected to that is the fact that you'd have slower speeds or confirmation times for your transaction, again, because of its popularity and so many folks submitting so many transactions on the chain. So if you can use your Strongblock Ethereum nodes to get faster transactions, lower gas fees, and reliable uptime amongst other benefits, why wouldn't you do it? So let's get into showing you how to set up your Strongblock RPC nodes to work directly with MetaMask. All right, guys, so I'm at the Strongblock site. So here we have to connect our wallet. So let me just go ahead and do that. Type my password. Right, and here we are. So we're connected now through the regular Strongblock, or rather Strongblock Infura endpoint, right? So you can see I have about 8 nodes currently. So what I'm going to show you is how you can use one of these existing nodes to act as your own custom RPC endpoint for the reasons we discussed earlier in the video. So pick any one, which is an Ethereum node. So I'm just going to pick my latest one. And over here, you see 2 addresses. So what you have to do is just copy the first address, the one that reads HTTPS. You just copy that right there. You can close this. You now need to go to MetaMask. And you click on this drop down over here. That shows us we're currently on the Ethereum mainnet using the default RPC, which happens to be Infura. So let's click on Add Network. So here we need to fill out a couple of different fields. The network name, you can give it any name you want. So let's call this the Strongblock, or let's call it my Strongblock ETH RPC node, right? And here we can just paste the URL that we copied from the node. For the chain ID, we need to use 1. And as soon as we put 1, you notice a little message comes up here that this is currently being used by the Ethereum mainnet network. So that's no problem. Over here, you need to put ETH as the symbol, and here you need to put the address of the block explorer, right? This is an optional field, so you don't need to do it, but I like to do it just for the sake of completeness. So etherscan.io is the block URL, and you save it. And that's it, guys. You see this message over here at the bottom? You are now connected to the Ethereum network using your own RPC endpoint. So let me just go back to the Strongblock page, come up here, and there you can see it, right? It's connected to the Ethereum network, not with the default connection, but with my connection. Now you'll notice that when you use this RPC endpoint, it should be faster. You should get more efficiency on gas fees, amongst other benefits. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe if you found that useful. And until next time, peace.